Welcome to our discussion about foods that can boost milk production for breastfeeding moms. In this video, we'll uncover the best foods to enhance your milk supply, ensuring both you and your baby stay well nourished. Let's jump right into it. Number 1. Oatmeal. Oatmeal is a great choice for breastfeeding moms because it can help boost milk production. It's like a superfood for nursing. Oats have special carbs that give you the energy you need for breastfeeding. Plus, they're packed with iron, which keeps you from getting anemia and helps your milk flow. But that's not all. Oatmeal offers a natural compound called saponins that tell your milk-making glands to work harder. So eating oatmeal can be like a yummy way to make sure you have enough milk for your baby. You can make a warm bowl with honey and berries for a cozy breakfast. Or blend oatmeal into your morning smoothie for a creamy and milk-boosting treat. It's easy, delicious, and helps your baby get all the nourishment they need. Number 2. Fenugreek. Fenugreek is another fantastic choice for breastfeeding moms because it can help increase milk production. It's like a natural milk booster. Fenugreek comes in different forms. You can take it as a supplement, sip it in a tea, or even add fenugreek seeds or leaves to your food. Some moms like to make fenugreek part of their daily routine to make sure they have plenty of milk for their baby. So whether you choose fenugreek supplements, tea, or include it in your meals, it's an easy and natural way to support your breastfeeding journey and ensure your baby gets all the nourishment they need. Number 3. Chickpeas. Chickpeas are like a nutrition powerhouse for breastfeeding moms because they offer many benefits to support both you and your baby. Chickpeas are packed with protein, which is vital for your health and helping your baby grow strong. They also contain essential vitamins and minerals like iron and folate, which can prevent anemia and keep you feeling your best. But here's the extra special part. Chickpeas have compounds that can boost milk production. You can enjoy chickpeas in various ways, such as making delicious hummus or tossing them into salads and stews. So by including chickpeas in your diet, you're not only taking care of yourself, but also giving your baby a nutritious boost and helping your milk flow smoothly. Number 4. Salmon. Salmon can help you make more milk and boost your baby's brain power. It's packed with omega-3 fatty acids, which is like magic for breastfeeding. Omega-3s are super important for your baby's brain development, and they can also help with milk production. So when you eat salmon, you're giving your baby a double dose of goodness. You don't need to eat it every day, but having salmon 2 to 3 times a week can make a big difference. You can cook salmon in many ways, like grilling, baking, or even making tasty salmon patties. It's not only good for your milk, but also gives your baby a head start in growing that clever little brain. Number 5. Fennel. Fennel is a secret ingredient that can help breastfeeding moms produce more milk. It's like nature's milk booster. Inside fennel, there are natural compounds that can stimulate your body to make more milk. You can enjoy fennel in different ways. You can have it in salads, roast it as a side dish, or even brew it into a soothing tea. Some moms also find fennel in lactation teas or supplements made just for breastfeeding. So whether you sprinkle fennel on your food or sip it as a tea, it's an easy and natural way to make sure you have enough milk for your little one. Before we proceed, please help support us by hitting that like button, subscribing, and leaving your comments below. Also, don't forget to check out our top-rated list of essential products for moms and babies, located right below in the description. Number 6. Almonds. Almonds are an excellent choice to help increase milk production. They're rich in healthy fats, protein, and fiber, providing you with long-lasting energy, essential for the demands of motherhood. Additionally, almonds are a natural source of vitamin E and antioxidants, which help protect your baby from oxidative stress. But here's the exciting part. Almonds are known as a lactogenic food, meaning they can enhance milk production. You can enjoy almonds in many ways, whether it's snacking on a handful of them, using almond butter as a spread, or incorporating almond milk into your daily routine. By adding almonds to your diet, you're not only ensuring your own nutrition, but also helping to maintain a healthy milk supply for your precious little one. Number 7, water. Water is incredibly important for breastfeeding moms because it's essential for making milk. It's like the key ingredient that keeps everything working smoothly. When you breastfeed, your body uses a lot of water to produce milk, so it's crucial to stay hydrated. Think of water as the fuel that powers your milk-making process. If you don't drink enough, it's like having less fuel, which can slow down how much milk you can make. So always keep a water bottle nearby and take sips throughout the day, especially when you're breastfeeding. It's a simple yet very important way to make sure you have enough milk to nourish your baby. Number 8, leafy greens. Leafy greens are nature's boosters for milk production. They have a lot of vitamins and minerals like calcium and folate, which are great for your health. But here's the special part. When you eat leafy greens, they can also give your milk a little extra oomph. You can add leafy greens to your meals in different ways. Make yummy salads with spinach or kale, blend them into smoothies, or sauté them with a little garlic for a tasty side dish. So enjoying leafy greens not only keeps you strong, but also supports your milk-making superpowers, ensuring your baby gets all the goodness they need. Number 9, sesame seeds. Sesame seeds are little nutritional powerhouses for breastfeeding moms, offering a host of benefits that can contribute to both your health and milk production. First and foremost, sesame seeds are packed with essential nutrients like calcium, iron, and zinc. Calcium is crucial for maintaining your bone health, while iron helps prevent anemia and keeps your energy levels up. Zinc, on the other hand, supports your immune system. You can incorporate sesame seeds into your diet in various ways, whether it's sprinkling them on salads, adding them to stir-fries, or enjoying tahini. By including sesame seeds in your daily nutrition, you're not only taking care of your well-being, but also helping ensure a steady and abundant milk supply for your little one. Number 10, garlic. Garlic is a potential ally for breastfeeding mothers because it contains a compound called allicin, which can stimulate the milk-producing glands, possibly leading to increased milk supply. Moreover, garlic is a rich source of essential vitamins like B6 and C, as well as minerals such as selenium, all of which play a vital role in maintaining maternal health and well-being. Beyond its nutritional benefits, garlic can also add flavor to dishes, making it easier for breastfeeding moms to enjoy a balanced diet. Maintaining a healthy diet and staying well hydrated is essential for breastfeeding moms looking to support their milk production. Each mother's nutritional needs may vary, so it's advisable to consult with a healthcare professional to create a personalized dietary plan that ensures both maternal health and an ample milk supply for the baby. If you found this video helpful, please give us a like and subscribe to our channel. Your support helps us keep sharing helpful information with parents like you. Thanks for watching and take care.